Why not to share that secret recipe of our project success with all of you? Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastek International. Today I have an interesting story to share with you. A friend of mine recently told me about a conversation he had with one of our clients. So apparently they were super impressed with our work, and my friend was really curious about how we make it happen. So I thought, why not to share that secret recipe of our project success with all of you. So you see, the first ingredient in our recipe is providing a peace of mind to our clients. So we understand that working on a project can be stressful, of course. So we make it our mission to reduce that stress. So the second key I can say, we actually reduce our clients' effort. So we know they are full of responsibilities when in project comes. So we aim to smoothen their experience as possible. Then the next one I can say, we just don't just take orders. Actually, we add insight to the mix, like or clients come up with what they want, but we actually offer them what they truly need. Like if you are going to a restaurant and getting a customized meal you never knew you would love. Then the final secret is the speed of delivery. It's actually unbeatable in this market. So these are our secret recipes.